Hi, welcome to Understanding the Power Within Simply, Easily. Today we are talking about the power of nature in your life. When you are outside in nature and you connect with nature, you are connecting with your loving Father, God, Creator, all that is, in a pure way. You are letting down and allowing. You are at ease more if you would take a walk through nature and just allow the sound of the birds, the sound of the trees, the leaves blowing, whatever it may be from wherever you are at. If you can do that and relax and release, you are in a semi-meditative state and you are in an allowing state. We would suggest walking in nature at least once a week. Daily is preferred, but we do understand the hectic schedule some hold in their life. But taking time for nature, taking time to breathe, relax, and allow will help your mind to breathe, relax, and allow. And those things that you are wanting in your life will be easier to attain, for you will be in an allowing state. When you are in nature, you are at one with all. You will feel the love if you focus for it. You will feel the love of the growing things, the trees, the flowers, everything. For we are all connected and they know you are there. They feel your presence and they can feel the ease you have or the tension you have. And they are there to absorb the tensions in your life, for they can easily release through their branches, through the blades of grass, through it, whatever. They can release this tension easier, for they just are. They are growing beings who know and trust that they just are. So walking in nature, breathing outside, and relaxing your mind will help you to start to move past the hecticness of your life that is calling you to stay inside. It calls you to not take this time to breathe, to not take this time to relax and allow. And we are saying this time is of great importance to you, for this time is where you can just be. And just being is so important, for you need to breathe, you need to relax, and when you allow nature to step in, you will ease your mind, ease your body, and ease your life. Take walks outside in nature as much as possible. We would say a half an hour, but even 5 minutes is good if that is what you have. Every day would be preferred, but as often as possible, no less than once a week is important to you, to your health, to your mental well-being, to who you are. Take walks in nature, breathe, feel gratitude for the amazing planet that we have, this amazing planet, this Mother Earth, who sustains us through everything. Take your time and be grateful and honor Mother Earth for what she is as well. She is your livelihood. She is your life. She is everything, for she grows the trees, has the water, grows the food that sustains you here and now. And when you walk outside and you say thank you and you breathe and you feel the love that is everywhere in nature, you will have eased your mind and your life will follow suit. We wish for you love in your life, peace in your mind, joy in your soul.